Hey guys, welcome back to the another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you delete your transaction history. So guys, we can delete our transaction history very easily. So there are two ways to fix the problem. First of all, guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then guys, you may open your app store and you may update your cache app from here. Then guys, you may open your cache app and you may log in with your account. The first method is guys, you may click here on your activity and you may cancel or refund your transactions, and your transaction will be show as a cancelled transactions. But if you don't want to show these also, then guys, you may click here on your profile icon and you may scroll it down, and here the option of support, so you may click here, and here the option of account and settings, and you may scroll it down, and here is the option of, so let's say click here on delete your personal information. So you may click here and you may delete your personal information from here, and then guys, your all transaction history and information will be deleted. So now you may add your information again, and your new account or new setup will be added. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.